Good Wednesday morning, everyone. We are looking at another warm and muggy day before some changes start to move in as we head into the weekend, but it's going to be warm and muggy until we get to that point. And, we're at the second day of September, and the Climate Prediction Center actually issuing an outlook yesterday. We'll talk about that here in just a moment. But taking a look at your almanac for today, we had a high temperature yesterday of 81 degrees, low of 65. Average for today, 76.53, the average low. Record high of 98 degrees set back in 1924. 36 the record low, 1974 that date. No rainfall so far for the month. Well, it's just the second day of the month. And 6:52 on the sunrise this morning. It sets at 8:04. Now here is that climate outlook I was talking about. The Climate Prediction Center, also part of the National Weather Service, issues climate outlooks. And we did pass along that winter outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. Now this is just the outlook for September, and we are looking at, looks like right on the edge of us here in our area. We're on the above average temperature. So it looks like temperatures for the month of September might be a little bit on the warmer side, a little bit cooler off to the south and west. But certainly much of the upper Midwest into the southwest looking at above average precipitation chances here as we move through the month of September, which really is a month of transition because we're coming out of summer and heading into fall as that cool air out of Canada starts to kind of filter in, a bit more active when it comes to the weather, and we'll see big temperature changes. In fact, by the end of the month, some of our average high temperatures being in the upper 70s, they're in the mid to upper 60s. We also lose about an hour to an hour and a half of daylight or so. So certainly big changes here as we head through the month of September. Let's get right to your weather headlines and looking again at that warm and muggy air here as we move through the next few days, with the chance of some rain showers coming in as we head into the upcoming weekend. And then behind that chance of rain, especially as we head into next week, some cooler temperatures start to move their way in. Here's a satellite and radar picture. Pretty quiet out there over the last 12 hours. We'll see a mostly sunny sky today. Actually, some thunderstorms developing last night in parts of western and south central Minnesota, bringing some heavier rainfall there. Again, just a few clouds will float through the region here as we head through the day. It looks like for any big weather problems today. Temperatures locally this morning sitting in the 60s, a little bit cooler out to the west. Temperatures back into the 50s, and that's where the pretty dry air is. Dew points back into the 40s and 50s. So again, still kind of keeping this south to southeasterly wind, really bringing in those higher dew points. So we're going to stay on the muggy side here for the rest of the week. Here's a look at Futurecast. Again, this storm system we're watching off to the north and west, it slowly progresses its way towards us. It doesn't get here until it looks like Friday, bring the chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and that chance lasts into Saturday and Sunday as well. So unfortunately, some rain chances are going to be with us here as we head through the holiday weekend. But again, behind that storm system does bring the chance for some of that cooler air starting to filter in. In fact, you can see we're looking at quieter conditions here for looks like the rest of our work week. As we take a look at what's going on with our forecast today, we'll see a high temperature around 85 degrees, a mostly sunny sky. They're going to be mild to muggy, southeast winds 5 to 10 tonight. Maybe some patchy fog, otherwise a mostly clear sky, 68 for the overnight low, so another muggy night. 7-day forecast does call for temperatures to stay in the mid to upper 80s right through Friday when we introduce that chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Into the weekend as well, starts to cool down. Not going to be a total washout of the weekend, but the chances there, though, for some showers and thunderstorms. Labor Day on Monday, 75 for the high temperature, and actually dropping into the low 70s by Tuesday.